I know people are going to swear at me, and it's fine. It's fine. It's something I'm willing to take. Somebody somewhere must be willing to take it. I know that Kaizer Chiefs fans are going to swear at me. It's okay. I'm okay with that. I literally think that for Kaizer Chiefs fans to do what they are doing, breaking the spirit of Bafana, saying that they are going to support Mexico and all of that. And me knowing Kaizer Chiefs fans, having been around them, they are telling the truth. They are going to support Mexico. Kaizer Chiefs fans are going to support Mexico. But I think, and they're going to make it away. And you know, Kaizer Chiefs has a big, you know, a sea of support. So definitely it's going to have an impact. It's going to have an impact. And this will not look good on our team. That is Bafana. The only Kaizer Chiefs fans who will, not the only, but those that were sure that they will support Bafana are actually those who got tickets to go there from the Minister of Sport. Even if they are Kaizer Chiefs fans, just because they got to attend the trip, they will then make sure that they support Bafana. But if you look at it, most of the Kaizer Chiefs fans are definitely not going to support Bafana in the country. If you look at what is trending and their comments and all of that, Kaizer Chiefs fans are angry that Hugo Broos has, you know, especially after the performance of Kaizer Chiefs and that vase that he made by taking the players for 3 days and then thereafter just going on to create this political thing and only taking Bradley Cross, which they call him Mfana. Kaizer Chiefs fans are saying that they are not going to support Bafana. Instead, they are supporting Mfana. And if Mfana is not playing, it means they just support Mexico alone. And Mfana is Bradley Cross. It's crazy. And I believe them. I know Kaizer Chiefs fans. I know them. I know these people. They will not support Bafana. They will make sure that when Mexico scores, they will celebrate. They will make sure that even on the internet they trend. They will make sure that those players who are there wearing the Bafana jersey, they will make sure that those players are scared to go to the internet to check what is being said. Because those players, they also are human. They are human. They will get hurt when they realize that things are being said about them. And that's the power. That's how much there's so much of Kaizer Chiefs fans in this country, and there's none of the Pirates or Sundowns fans can even stop them. So I think it's a crazy thing that the Kaizer Chiefs fans have took it to this far. I think it's crazy, Uguti. They feel like before the country, between Kaizer Chiefs and the country, they would choose Kaizer Chiefs, which is one of the biggest brands in the southern hemisphere, not just in football, but just as a brand. Now, my question, because we are Africans, we come from South Africa, and we believe that when we are united in spirit, we believe in spirituality. My question would, do you think Bafana will beat Mexico? Because according to me, I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think if there is no oneness, if there's no unity, which I wish Hugo Broos Coach Broos was able to see that there's a need for unison, especially in Brendan Peterson, because honestly speaking, the issue of Brendan Peterson, that was unfair. That was totally unfair. Ricardo Goss was supposed to remain, and that's it. Ricardo Goss is the weakest link in that goalkeeping department. The fact that he's been there in the uprunning has nothing to do with anything. Elias Mukwana has been in the qualifying games, in the uprunning towards this particular World Cup. He is not there. He is not there. And nobody is saying anything about it. Elias Mukwana, the one of Esperance, he is not there. Instead, they went on to take Themba Zwane, who doesn't deserve to be there. So a lot of favoritism is happening there. I understand Kaizer Chiefs fans when they are complaining about Brendan Peterson. Everybody is complaining about Brendan Peterson exclusion. Not only the Kaizer Chiefs fans, everybody in the country. But to want to show Bafana I would say the middle finger, or suffer the middle finger as Kaizer Chiefs fans, for you to go on and says, yeah, Tina, we are not supporting this Bafana thing. I don't know what to call you. I don't know. I think Kaizer Chiefs fans at this particular point in time, they're being petty. I think they're being petty. I think they're being petty, and I think somebody somewhere must address them. And yet, Soccer 360, we are going to say it as it is. I'm saying it as it is. I don't know the other analysts, or when we have them, what will they say? But I think Kaizer Chiefs fans are being petty. Kaizer Chiefs fans are being petty about the Bafana issue. I think it's all out of order. I think it's a situation that they must be addressed. I think Kaizer Chiefs itself, the club, they were having a press conference in respect with their Toyota Cup and all of that. But none of the people in the club came on to say all Kaizer Chiefs fans will support Bafana or whatsoever. Actually, for marketing purposes and whatsoever, there are Kaizer Chiefs people who are happy about this thing. There are people within Kaizer Chiefs who are happy that Bafana should not win. They are going to be happy. There are Kaizer Chiefs people inside Kaizer Chiefs, the official club, who are going to be happy that Bafana did not win. If Bafana doesn't win at all, because I do not believe Bafana will beat Mexico. There is of course, we can analyze that in terms of who do we have. Look at the middle field of Mexico. We look at our middle field, and our striking force, Lyle Foster. I mean, that is not a non-veteran. That is not a Benny. That is not a, you know what I mean? So, Kaizer Chiefs, there are people who are happy, I'm telling you right now, inside Kaizer Chiefs, happy that the Kaizer Chiefs fans are saying they are not supporting Bafana. There are people who inside Kaizer Chiefs who will be happy when Bafana lose. That yes, they did not take our players. They did not take our players. So, I don't know, man. I just believe, let me keep feelings away from it. I just believe that Kaizer Chiefs fans are being petty. And this thing should stop. I would understand the logic when Sundowns is going to play CAF or Orlando Pirates is going to play CAF. But this is Bafana. Not just Mfana in Bradley Cross. This is Bafana. As petty as Safa is, as petty as Hugo Broos was around the issue of Peterson, everybody saw the greatness of Peterson towards the end of the season. Actually, throughout the season, for that matter. But people are we just could keep quiet and we understand what's the inclusion of Cross, the political issues and all that. And that should stop in football, eh? That should stop everywhere, in every sport. Siyakolisi in rugby should not be taken based on the quota, what should be taken based on merit. So, yeah. I don't know. What's your take on this? Are you going to be part of the Kaizer Chiefs fans who swear at me? Or you also believe it's petty? Please come keeping on. We'll see each other on the other side. Soccer 360. Tada.